Hi everyone, this is Julie Bean with Beadaholique. I have a quick tip for you to how to figure out how wide you want your piece of bead weaving, and this would also apply to loom work. So you're creating a pattern, so you're starting from scratch, let's say, and you're creating a pattern and you know what components you want to use, so you know what size beads you want to use and you know what clasp you want to use. So before you go and you make your pattern and you decide how wide you want it to be, here's a quick little tip. Take your needle and place onto it a number of beads. Let's say you know you want to be doing even count peyote, which is what this is up here, and this is odd count. So go ahead and place onto your needle your beads. And you can place as many as can fit on your needle. Okay, so I've got that right there. And now go ahead and take your clasp and see what looks right to it. So like you look at this and that looks a little bit wide for that clasp. So then what you can do is you can start to take off beads in sets of 2. So if you're going to be doing, let's say you want to do even counts, that's 6, 3, 6. Okay, so now we've got 10 on there. How does that look? Does that look good to you, or is it still too wide? And keep taking them off in sets of 2 until you figure out how wide you want it to be. And so I'm going to take 2 more. And now you've got 6. And to me, that looks like a good width, which is what I did for here. So this is 6 wide, and you see how that looks now when done. I'm going to go ahead and do another video showing you how to attach that clasp. And the reason I came up with this tip is because I originally made this little piece, and it was going to be for this clasp. And then I got to looking at it once I'd kind of gone down a little bit of beadwork, and I'm like, that just feels a little too big. It's a little too wide for it. So that's when I went ahead and I did this little trick, this little tip to begin with, to figure out how wide I wanted my actual piece to be that was going to work with this clasp. So there we've got the 6 on there. We see how wide it is. And then this is what it looks like against it. So that's just one little quick tip. If you'd like more beading quick tips, please do subscribe to this channel, and also go check out beadaholique.com. We've got all the videos up there along with a ton of projects, which will show you a lot of times which beads to use, with which clasp, and it'll have a lot of free patterns. A lot of other stuff is on the website as well. Thanks, everyone.